Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. We're going to take these door panels off and do something with them for sure. I got to insulate in here because it's cold in the bed. So, be right back. So, I already took the curtain loose here. I just a couple of screws and spacers, and there's just clips back here. I'm always afraid to like take these clips out, but
get that. Could you try again?
No. So that's all there is to it. To pull this off. I don't know. I guess that's it. So bunch of clips. That's all there is holding that damn thing on. I've got some more of these clips in the garage, and then I don't know if any actually broke. Let's see. I got this tool. I thought it was Snap-on. It's Tekton, but it works really good on these. If you can get behind them, it's even better. You can't get behind them. You can go into the second groove like this one here, and it just, boom, baby, out she comes. So, one more. Dropped one. So we can just slip these guys back in here. And all of his little, because these are all still good. They just sometimes pop out the top. There's a magnet here, and over here too on the other side. That's a magnet that holds it in. I mean, come on, Mercedes, really? Magnets. Okay. Think this will work. It's in there, so you can see right there in the hole, right here in the hole, you can see it, and I can see it going up in there. So that's in there. That's good. That's really good. We're going to put some of this Siless in here to deaden the sound. I can hear a lot coming through from here. Okay, so this is Thinsulate right here, and then the rest of this is just standard old fashioned R32. There's that magnet. So hopefully it's a whole lot quieter now. Can you see that all right? Okay.
Insulated? Not insulated.
Oh, that's a big difference.
Yes.
Do it down here. Even worse. Awesome. Awesome.
Can you do that?
Yeah. That Siless stuff does a lot. me show you this. There's a clip right here that you gotta just reach in there and depress that, and it's just sitting against this spot here. Same thing on the bottom. Depress those, and then just this whole thing, you just pull it to the side and it comes right out. So pretty hard to do when it's in the door panel. You saw how I got it out of there, but anyway, that's how that's done. Damn, it's really quiet in here compared to before. It almost feels like, you know, when you put on a pair of them Bose noise canceling headphones and you hit the button to turn on the noise canceling, it's like that's what it feels like in here now. I never realized that the back doors were where a lot of the noise was coming from, and I suppose it's because, you know, underneath the bed there's like a big echo chamber. Even if it is full of our stuff under there, it's still a big echo chamber because, you know, the dog crate's open to that area and stuff. So, well, I'm pretty happy about this. Honey, check this out. Check this door out. Try it. It's like amazing. How'd that feel? Try closing it.
Oh, that's really quiet.
Yeah.
That's a big difference.
It is.
Solid.
Yeah. Sweet, huh?
Good job.
Got any last words for the viewers at home?
It's going to be nice taking our trip next time and just seeing if it makes a big difference, especially in the cold, if you stay warmer
Yeah.
in the back of the bed. And I think the dogs will stay warmer too.
There they are. So this is Gary.
And Lila.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.